Okay, this is Chapter 7 or Grade 7, Chapter 1, Part 3, Transformations. So on your grid, you're going to see different examples of different transformation. Transformation is when we move a geometric figure, like a square or a shape or a triangle or something, and we move it on the grid. So examples are translations, reflections, and rotations. So translations are slides. When you slide something from here and move it, and we're going to go into examples of this. Rotation is when you turn it about a fixed point, so it looks like this, and then it looks like this. Well, not like, anyways, you know what I'm saying. Turn about a fixed point is called the center of rotation. So it's a turn. For a rotation is a turn, and it's got a center of rotation. For a reflection, it's a mirror image. A mirror image, so it's, if it looks like this before, it looks like that after. So it's like you put a mirror in it and then drew the mirror. So let's go to our examples. For translation of 8, if we label these points of A, B, and C, when we move this, let's start with B. We move this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is B, and we're going to call this B1 because this is B0. So A, same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is A1, and C, this is also 8. So let me count it out. 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It has moved 8. All of them have moved 8. It's not like we've moved A8 and B10 and C also 8 or 7 or 10 or whatever it is. They've all moved 8 to the right. So it's translation of 8 to the right. Sorry, that's supposed to be a right. So pause the video, copy this figure on a coordinate grid, and translate the figure 5 units left and 3 units down. So if we label this, this will be A, this will be B, and this will be C. So if you can translate the figure 5 units left and 3 units down. There are 2 steps here. You may want to do both steps. Translate it 5 units to the left and then 3 units down. You don't have to draw it every time, but make sure A and B and C are in the right spot. So pause the video, try that now. Okay, welcome back. I hope you finished it. It should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is going to be A. B will be here, and C will be right in the middle. And then 3 units down, 1, 2, 3, there, and there. So your triangle should be right there with A1, B1, C1. Or you can put this as A2, B2, and C2 because this would be, you can label this C1, A1, and B1 as well. Okay? So your reflection, what you're doing is you're taking, again, you're going to label the vertices, A, B, C, and you're reflecting it. So this is B right here, this is A, and this is C. So as you can see, along this, it's been rotated, and then this is 2 away. So it's been reflected, sorry, not rotated, reflected, because it's still 2 away, but it's going the opposite way. So A to B is this way, and A to B is this way. The reflection, again, it's the same. It's a reflection of the mirror image, and this is the point of, or this is the plane of reflection right here along the y-axis. So I hope I kind of went over that really quick, but as you can see, I'll erase this a little bit. But as you can see, it's a reflection of the image or the shape. So it's like looking in a mirror. Everything is a little bit backwards, but it's the same. So copy this on a coordinate grid, reflect the line in the reflection of R. go ahead, pause your video, try it now. Okay, you should have had a line here because this is 1 away and this is 1 away. So we know that that's 1 away and this is 1 away as well. So we draw the line here and this goes up to here. So that's the point we're going to make our arc to. And it should look roughly like that. That's a terrible drawing, but I'm no artist. So yeah. A rotation. A rotation is along a certain point. So P is the point that it rotates along. Now what we've done is we've taken this and we've rotated it to here. We've taken this and we've rotated it to here. We've taken this and rotated it to here. Or sorry, to here, I guess. So as you can see, we've rotated this along this axis. So this would be 180 degrees is how much we've rotated it. Because this point has gone 180 degrees. Right there. Yeah, I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, come see me. What I need you to do is copy this figure on a coordinate grid, rotate the figure 270 degrees counterclockwise. Counterclockwise is this way. Clocks go 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc., etc. So clockwise is this way. Counterclockwise is the opposite of a clock. So it's here. We need to rotate this counterclockwise. (270 degrees). So 270 degrees is 180 plus 90. So it will be, oh, sorry, it's going this way. So it'll be right here roughly. No, here is D. So to recap, counterclockwise this way, and then D will be right there when it ends. Okay, just to get you started. So pause the video, figure it out. Okay, welcome back. As you can see, we've rotated this counterclockwise 270 degrees, or roughly 270 degrees. You're going to have to use your math tools to figure that out, but that's kind of what it should look like. So your final one, your homework for today on pages 24 through 29, number 3 through 17, 20, 21A, 21B, 22, 24A, and 24B. Thanks so much. Good luck.